Hiya guys, right, it's beginning of January, about nearly a week after New Year's Day, and I've been seeing on Facebook and elsewhere on YouTube, there's a few people that have started planting like chilli seeds, tomato seeds. I'm not going to, I'm going to wait. I always do it too early. I plant everything too early, and then I effectively have to do like 2 sowings. The one where nothing works because it's too soon, and then there's the one where things do work because I've had the patience to wait. If you've got grow lights and heaters and stuff, then there's nothing stopping you planting your own chilies. But for me, this time of year, there's not much gardening going on. So the kind of things I'm filling my days with while I'm waiting for spring to come is, can you see on this decking, there's all these bits of moss growing in the grooves of the decking. Well, it makes it really slippy. So what I'm going to do is get a stiff brush and just give it a damn good thrashing and get rid of it. And with a bit of luck, I'll have a couple of dustpan fulls of stuff from a compost heap. So that's about as exciting as it gets, really. Oh no, it's not. Because, speaking of excitement, right, look at my paving slabs. The ones that the channel's named after. Petals on the paving slabs. Green slime. Because it's cold, wet, dark, winter. They get covered in green slime. Now today, the floor's quite dry. We've not had any rain for about 24 hours, which is unusual for this part of the world here in Lancashire. But when they get a little bit of water on them, it's like an ice rink because all this green slippy slime. Now I can't call myself an organic gardener because I use those blue slug pellets, that kind of thing, but I try and be as chemical free as possible. So for me to give this a damn good clean and get all this green slime off, has anybody got any suggestions for some kind of nature friendly cleaning solution I can use other than just hot water? Is there anything I can put in it, any kind of like, you know, like a grandma's remedy type thing that isn't gonna sit on these, find its way into my pots and kill the soil? So if anyone's got any suggestions for something I can add to the water when I give these a good scrubbing, I'd be really grateful. Right, I hope the excitement of me cleaning my decking and my paving slabs wasn't too much for you guys, and I look forward to your suggestions for nature friendly cleaning solutions that I can get all this clean with. Right, thank you very much. I haven't got a jet power washer type thing as well. Before you get loads of suggestions saying power washer, power washer. When I go into Aldi, I've got the self-discipline just to buy bread and milk. I'm not one of those that go in for a pint of milk and come out with a chainsaw and a power washer. No power washer. This picture from my Instagram and Twitter account isn't a pink nipple poking out of the soil. It's rhubarb teasing me. Grow, damn you!